and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to know how you can add number on your Temu app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Temu app from your home screen. So it will take few seconds to boot itself up, and once it's done you will be redirected to its homepage, where you need to click on the profile icon on the bottom of the screen. Now you can scroll down and see the settings option there. You need to simply click it open and then click on the account security. So once you are here, you can see the mobile phone number add option. Now you need to select a country which is accessible to Temu app. So amongst all these I have chosen Denmark. Now after you select a country, you need to enter the number of the country like I have shown in the video. Once you are done filling in the phone number of the country, you need to click on the submit option and click on OK. Once you do so, you will get a code on your number which you have entered. Now after entering the code, you are all done with the new number added. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.